Ranch Kids here. Today we are going to be showing you how to do prairie dog mitigation. And now he's putting in the oxygen and gas. It's mixed together. And now we have two tunnels combined it, so we want to blow them out. And now I just exploded a prairie dog hole. Hopefully it got it out. Like and subscribe. Now I'm gonna do it, so let's get into it. Now we're gonna blow up prairie dogs. We're gonna keep blowing it up. Now we're gonna blow up this one more hole and we're gonna keep doing it. So hopefully this one's gonna blow up the whole time. Probably no flash. And oxygen my dad puts in there. Alright, grab a cup of popcorn and enjoy. Alright, that last one was a failure, but this one's probably going to be a good one.